guys, my name is Pia and welcome to my channel. Subscribe and like and subscribe if you know this channel. And the ice cream truck begins. This is an ice cream truck where we put the ice cream truck. And you're going to put the carrot option. This we're going to put lollipop, cupcakes, and donuts and cookie. You tell me which do you like, and you're going to tell me what do you want. Let me open this rice one.
Show me your menu.
Huh?
Show me your menu.
This one. See. This is where we put the menu over here. My brother put this as sticker.
Donut, ice cream, cupcake, and
let me show you guys.
Lollipop.
Nice. There's 4 options. Oopsie, I broke this. Let me fix it. I finished fixing. Oh no, we don't have nothing in ice cream truck. I got an idea. Let's put something in the ice cream truck. First is donut. I'm going to put the correct option. Mention lollipops. Cupcake.
Now Bhai go and say he wants something, then you go give, okay?
Okay, mommy. I am going to fix this ice cream.
First you fix it.
Because we don't have nothing. Okay. Which side I put it here. Okay. Donuts. Do you love my ice cream truck, guys? Oh no. Oh no.
Pihu, you don't set the donuts like that.
Go help to Pihu. Pihu help.
Oh. Oh no, where's the color cupcakes?
Yes. Which flavor?
This is for the blue,
Orange flavor.
orange flavor, and this is for blueberry.
Okay.
I want to find. There's one more lollipops here. There's one more, guys. Yay! Oopsies. I can put this later. Let me fix this first, then I put this broken.
Go Aniket, help her. She cannot put.
I can fix it. I don't have. My brother's fixing that I'm going to do. Then plug my ice cream truck. Let's see. Oh no. Big lollipop. Oh, Nikki, you broke this. Oopsies, guys.
Say thank you to Bhai.
Thank you. Big lollipops.
Aniket, you have money?
Yeah.
Then how to take
Give me.
lollipop?
Oopsie, sorry. I'm going to fix this first.
How much is lollipop?
Lollipop is in 5 grams.
5 grams? Yes.
Thank you. I'm going to put the money here.
Thank you.
Welcome. Oh no, I forgot the blue lollipop. What should I do? Not ready.
Now your truck is ready? Ice cream truck is ready or not?
No, mommy. Blue
What is this, Pihu?
ice cream truck.
No, what is this?
Huh?
This is cookie? Take it. This is cookie? Pink, blue.
Purple. Oh no, guys. Can you help me find purple?
Give
and yellow?
me, I find.
Here.
Take this one.
Thank you.
And take this one.
No, where is this color one? Blue one. Oh, my brother find it. Thank you. Oh no. See. My brother is laughing. That's good, I see. Let me put the ice.
How did my lollipop go there? Can I have it back? I buy lollipop. Sorry, thank you.
No!
I gave you money for this, so let me have it. Ice cream truck is ready.
The ice cream truck is ready.
No, Mummy, there's one more left. Yellow.
No, you're actually supposed to put this and this
No.
over here. Pew, according to what you're supposed to put. It's like this.
No.
Yes, and
It is, yeah,
someone
yeah,
come and
yeah. Not like that, Pew.
It's going to be like this.
No, it's actually.
No.
Pew, listen to your
okay,
brother.
Piyu,
I'm saying.
you